Oh, yes, roosters!
Sun came up again? I can't believe it!
What? I can't hear you! What? It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale!
It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale!
Get the sale! Get the sale! Young nails! Get the sale! Young nails! July sale is here! Another one! What, you think we're done with sales? Not even a chance.
No.
July sale, here's what we got. Buy one, get one free protein bond. We've got a 20-piece glitter mixing kit. Unbelievable, 150 bucks. Comes with 20 1-ounce glitters, one mixing jar, and 12 jars to put your mixes in. You're gonna wanna get this. You can mix custom colors with us on Twitch. It's gonna be fire. In addition to that, load up on more glitters because all glitters are 40% off. Also, 40% off on all Milers, confettis, and liquid art, kid. This one is a massive one, 50% off all manicure color gel polish. Get the Finesse Gel Sculptor and Finesse Acrylic Sculptor for $55. Electric File Deal, $295 plus 30% off all bits. Sale starts July 24th, 6 p.m. Pacific, all the way to the 28th of July, 11:59 p.m. Do not miss this sale. You're gonna get some insane deals.
You crazy?
Plus, I'm telling you, this mixing kit is gonna be sick. So, with that, I'm gonna say one final word. It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get the sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale!
It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale!
Get the sale! Get the sale! Young nails! Get the sale! Young nails!